Welcome back. Goa hosted two major EDMs but with no noise pollution. The State Pollution Control and the GCZMA says it. Board infers that there was no noise pollution during the two EDMs that were held in North Goa recently. Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority too says the organizers of Supersonic and Sunburn complied with the norms and the noise level recorded did not exceed the standard limit of 75 decibels.
Following the National Green Tribunal order, Supersonic and Sunburn were under scanner of Goa State Pollution Control Board and Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority. PIL was filed by some public-spirited individuals complaining noise pollution by the EDM festivals. Sources informed that along with complaints, GSPCB had closely monitored both festivals for 4 days. It was observed that both the festival didn't exceed the sound standards of 75 decibels. Noise was measured at 3 locations, that is residential area, commercial area and inside the venue. As per the report, near residential area, noise level was 56.8 decibel to 64.9 decibel. In commercial area, it was 73.1 decibel and inside the venue, it was 92.2 decibel. Permissible limit is 65 decibel and 10 decibel is extra granted as per the noise pollution rule. Site inspection was carried out from 26 December to 30th December 2014. Sources informed that the board authority had stopped Sunburn twice for creating noise pollution. The report infers that the Supersonic and Sunburn Music Festival did not create any noise pollution in and around area of 500 meters. Goa State Pollution Control Board had prepared the report on both EDMs. Sources from board had informed that report submitted to National Green Tribunal had stated that noise level had not exceeded the permissible limits. Board had monitored the sound levels for 4 days and prepared the report. GSPCB had closely monitored both the music events and ensured compliance of sound limits. On 15 January, report on noise pollution was submitted to the National Green Tribunal in a sealed envelope. A reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It will likely be a week-long bank closure from 21st Jan. Indian Banks Association has called for a strike from 21st to 24 January across India. 25th is Sunday and 26th January is a Republic Day. In case of a strike, the banks would be closed for almost 6 days. ATMs may also run dry. 27 nationalized banks and around 10 lakh employees have threatened of a strike demanding wage revision.
You will find this notice displayed at most of the nationalized banks across the state. This is a regret notice for inconvenience to the customers. Bank unions have planned to go on strike from 21st to 24 January. No bank transactions. Bank ATMs may also run dry. This is a part of nationwide strike. The employees are demanding wage revision due since 2012.
Only and only because of the wage revision of the bankers, 27 nationalized banks and about 10 lakhs of employees are waiting for the wage revision from November 2012. The demands have been given to the Indian Banks Management in November 2012, but till now the demands have not been settled. IBA is offering very less. They are offering now 12.50%, which is on the payslip component, which is really not sufficient for us, and we are demanding now 19.5%. Our original demand was 35%, then it came down to 23%. Now it is 19.5% on payslip component, and till now the management is, IBA is not ready to do that. Probably 19th means tomorrow is one of the meeting with IBA. And if nothing works out, we are going on strike from 21st to 24th of January.
That means bank business would be closed for 6 days. The meeting of Banks Association is scheduled on Monday. Further course of action will be decided in this meeting. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Villagers of Halan stopped GSIDC's work for a convention project in Pedne. Locals are opposing the convention project coming up in their area. They said Pedne MLA's Rajendra Arlekar has to first take locals into confidence. Currently, Arlekar is out of the state, hence till the return of Arlekar, the work of convention project will be on hold.
Halan Gram Sabha witnessed chaos and ruckus on Sunday. Locals vehemently oppose the work in progress for a convention center in their area.
ज्या प्रकल्पाक विरोध हा अशा प्रकल्प जर जायत जाल्यार त्या प्रकल्पाक पंचायत बॉडी सकट सगळ्या गावाचो विरोध आसतलो आणि आम्ही एकजुटीन हेका विरोध करतले.
They have demanded that the local MLA Rajendra Alekar should take the locals into confidence. However, Alekar is out of Goa.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हेता आपण एका मानिना आल्लेकाराक मानिना पार्सेकाराक मानिना कोणाकच मानिना पंचायत बॉडी एकच मानना तर ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कोणाक तरी मानता आणि ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटान तर मानता गव्हर्नमेंटान हे काम कोणी गव्हर्नमेंटान दिवंक ना काय तर कोणी दिलं काम ते
वेळ पडलो जाल्यार आमी उपोषण सुद्दां करपाक रेडी आसा तयार आसा आणि आमचो सगळ्याकूच सपोर्ट आसतलो आमकां हें नाकाच की नायजेरियन येयल्ले हांगा नाका आमकां कितें तरी हांगा बरो प्रोजेक्ट जाल्लो जाय.
Meanwhile, locals marched to the site and stopped the project work by the GSIDC.
फक्त सध्या आता हेच करपा लागला रोफिंग करपा लागला
पंचायतीक तुम्ही कळयलें तुमकां तेंची एनओसी
ते GSIDCन कळयला आमकां काय ना
तुम्ही डायरेक्ट
आमकां GSIDCन ऑर्डर दिला वर्क ऑर्डर दिला.
Vinod Mehtar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.